A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Freddie from the PSB Academy Student Success Office, and I'm your host, and welcome to our SuperCharge My Career Conference 2022. And SuperCharge My Career has always focused on equipping our students, graduates, and alumni with the right mindset and skills to stand out to recruiters, master future-ready skills, and ultimately land the career that they desire.
SuperCharge Your Career is an event, signature event, as what Freddie mentioned, something that we do to help graduating students, to help you transit into the workforce. But more importantly, as we start to move into a post-pandemic world, we do realize that the world is no longer the same. My time facing the world is about how to make sure you be dressed up for interviews. But over the last 2 years, we have been interviewing people on Zoom, on Teams. One of the biggest factors of career that we all know is an interview stage. The ability to clinch a job, the ability to get into a workforce, the ability to sort of impress the recruiter who you are, what you are.
Houston, we have a problem. Entering the workforce atmosphere is not an easy task. So that's why we're here today, okay? To hear from our speakers what graduate can expect and look into how one can rocket boost his or her chances of getting noticed and hired.
Pick up another technical skill while you're working. Please adjust your salary expectations. Let's see, supercharge your career. You want to launch your rocket. You have to get to the edge of your comfort zone and then take off, okay? And I'm sure you will land a good job because there are good jobs out there. You just have to be out there and get out of your comfort zone.
So we do make value judgment in seconds, really in seconds. But when we meet people, we do have this kind of come out with some idea of what the person is like based on only what we see. So there may be times where you just meet with your colleagues and that's all you see, and you don't see anyone else other than your colleagues. But there may be days that you meet with management or you meet with external clients and you would have to dress a little bit differently.
So in terms of elevating your LinkedIn profile, here is what is a personal brand. Is it for you a way to showcase who you are, showcase your personality, showcase your thought leadership, or showcase what you want to be known for? In terms of your headline, like I was sharing, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you explain expertise or your areas of interest, areas that you want to work in, and make sure to use the right keywords.
Every resume, they'll spend about 6 seconds to glimpse through. So make sure that your photograph is professionally taken and use keywords that are included in the job description. Now you must read the job description to write your resume. Know what you want, apply for what that job is, and spend some time understanding, researching the industry before you pick up your first job.
Okay, ready? 2. I say 2 leh. 3. Go! Hey, I say 1 there, why 4 start? Go! Okay, thank you so much for your participation. I hope you are awake now.
You can actually do this portfolio in a very digital format. You can send the link to your potential employer. They can just click on it and they can see everything. You need to document your journey. Whatever that you have done, whatever that you have experienced, need to differentiate between qualification and certification. Qualification is from your formal education, just like your degree, your master's. But certification is things that you get out of beyond your qualification.
Research into the company. Who are you going to meet? Who are these people that you're going to meet? And what's your work style like? Find out about your team. You can only show yourself as confident if you give yourself that confidence.
Don't settle down. Keep on pushing. Look for next, what interests you. Even if you're working, go for your part-time courses. Or even if you study, do something that will improve you. If you're comfort, be uncomfortable. Because when you're uncomfortable, that's where the growth comes in. You must also be prepared for those things you're not prepared for. Then only you will grow and keep on learning. First of all, thank you speakers. I enjoyed. I'm sure the graduates and the alumni also have enjoyed.
Most of us, I think we use social media just to kill time and to like consume content, but I think you need to move from what I call as unconscious consumption to conscious creation.
Those who have been through their career office tend to do better. They're ready with their pitch, they're ready with what they want, and they've done their research and do ask really good questions.
Basically, half an hour earlier would suffice. Better, please be early. Better, much better than being late.
I particularly like the idea of you going for internship.
You want to be able to exercise or apply what you learn, and then put on your resume that you are involved in this 1 or 2 projects.
It's why the government has really come up with, a whole list of the skill sets that is needed, the skills framework that is needed in this era, all right, to bring about employment and employability. Don't stop learning, so that you won't stop growing.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you all enjoy, and I just wanted to give a thanks to everybody again and all the speakers for taking their times and sharing their knowledge and students and appreciation.